What is going on? Welcome back. And in this video we're gonna be campfire cooking a couple wild ducks. I guess the first thing you have to do when you're campfire cooking is start a fire. So let's get into it. Alright, the fire's steady going. So we got these ducks a couple of weeks ago, so I'm going to cut to some footage of that. Couple wood ducks. I'm just going to pluck them.
See that fox this morning? No? Just before you pulled up.
Got him plucked, now we're just going to gut him and cut his head off.
Right. Like I said, that was...
They're all cleaned up, just ready to cook.
Oh, nice.
And Easter camping, number 2 just dropped. So I'll leave that down in the description if you want to watch that after this one. Alright, we're also having roast veggies with the roast duck. So I'll prepare some of that up. Got some potato. Some carrot. So that's enough carrot. Got a bit of pumpkin. Just peel the sweet potato. And we're making a stuffing to stuff the ducks with. Black peppercorns. And a bit of seasoning. Alright, the stuffing's done.
Oh no.
We're just putting them in the Furphy camp oven. So for the moment we're just going to put the carrots, potatoes and onions in because they take the longest to cook. Jug of water. Seasoning. So we just leave that in for about 6 to 8 hours. Just let it sit there and slow cook. You could cook it for longer because normally when you're roasting stuff, when you cook it longer it tastes better. But since the ducks are only pretty small, it should be right. What is it? Definitely sizzling already. It's been cooking for about 4 hours, so we're just gonna chuck the rest of the veggies in. The pumpkin and sweet potato. Looking nice. Smells good too. Put a bit more seasoning on them. And chuck it back in for longer. Does that smell good? Does that smell good? Yeah. It's been about another 2 hours since we put the last veggies in. We'll have a check. Yes. That smells insane. I'm keen as. I'll just give it a little spin around. There we go, we'll let it sit for a bit longer. We're also adding tawny port. Beautiful. Also, the pumpkin that we used in it, I picked from the pumpkin patch. There we go, she's all done. Been cooking for about 8 hours. That looks nice. We'll plate it up and get into it. Back on.
Veggie gravy.
How nice does that look? That looks insane. Just add a bit of salt. Don't need any gravy. Have a taste of this duck. Too good. Way too good. You can see the different colour from the wild duck to a domesticated duck. Domesticated is white meat, and this is brown. 10 times better too. Bit of stuffing. Let's taste the veggies. Nothing better than veggies slow cooked in a camp oven. Alright, I'm just gonna clean the rest of this up. Oh, I'm full as. That was that nice. Well, I hope you liked this video, and if you did, why not check out some of the other ones. I'll see ya in the next one.